probably checked my profile. That's why you are here. So, allow me to share a few more things about me. My name is Herlene Daisico Hakdiyong from Philippines. You can call me Len for short and easy to remember. I am your general virtual assistant and social media manager. You probably here because you want to know what it looks like working with me. When you work with me, I will help you. I'm here to help you with your business, give you creative and strategic solution for your virtual and online needs. I'm 31 years old and I am graduated as a Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management with over 12 years of different job experience. To be honest, I am a newbie to this industry, but I am not a newbie for a job. I am fully committed to provide quality work to all my clients. And I am highly organized and detail-oriented. I can manage and assist you with your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and TikTok. I have been applying all the strategies that I've learned from all the online courses that I take, and I can manage my tasks with minimum supervision. And I am a problem solver. I am willing to learn and train new more things and skills from you because I believe that never stop learning new skills or things in life. Let's chat to discuss more details about your project. Keep in touch. Bye!